Hi, I'm Joshua from Web of Life Regenerative Land Care. We're soil restorers in Ithaca, New York. So I've been working on something for months and it's finally ready and I'm excited to share it with you. Here it is. It's rich, mature compost that's teeming with soil life. You can use this in your garden or planter, on your row crops, or in your perennial plantings to grow beautiful, disease-resistant and nutrient-dense plants the way nature does it. But I don't want to just tell you about it. Let's go over to my microscope and I'll show you who's in there. Okay, so we like to use the microscope to explore our compost and make sure it's rich enough and diverse enough in fungi and microbes to inoculate your soil. So in this case, I have a sample of our biologically rich compost, and this is a sample of a locally made, large-scale food scrap-based commercial compost that, in my experience, is pretty typical of commercial composts that are available out there right now. So I've prepared two samples. One is the commercial compost sample I'll start with, and let's see who's in there. I explored about 20 fields of view across this microscope slide, looking for those key soil organisms that we know support plants. I found 0 beneficial nematodes, lots of bacteria, 1 thread-like strand of fungi, and 1 beneficial protozoan, this amoeba. This compost is basically highly bacterial organic matter. So how about our biological compost? Well, after loading it on my scope and focusing in, I did that same exploration of about 20 fields of view, looking for those important little heroes of the soil. I promptly found a beneficial nematode. This one was very still. Usually they're wiggling around, like this next one that I found a few moments later. Scanning through these fields of view, it was hard to find a view that wasn't full of soil organisms. As you'll see, there was a good amount of bacteria in there, but plenty of beneficial fungi to balance it. Lots of fungal spores that are just ready to come alive in the right conditions. And in almost every view I saw beneficial protozoans too, which round off that community of soil food web organisms that will help grow strong, healthy plants and build soil. Our soils no longer resemble the diverse, teeming ecosystems they once were. So we felt we had to make it our first priority to create a soil food web inoculant that would help you restore not just bacteria to your soil, but the whole soil food web ecosystem, the one that Mother Nature has been perfecting for 500 million years since plants came out of the sea onto land. Here it is. We've started offering Revitalize soil food web inoculant at local shops and nurseries. And you can bring a bucket and scoop your own at our farm here in Danby, New York. We've also started sharing a lot more guidance about how to use it on our website, weboflifelandcare.com, and on our YouTube channel, which is Web of Life Regenerative Land Care. So stay tuned there. Let's regenerate our precious planet again, one beautiful, healthy plant at a time.